Namaskar, friends. I hope all of you are doing fine and you are staying safe with this Omicron virus spreading all over. Please stay safe, get vaccinated. If possible, get your booster shots as soon as possible. So, today I have with me some rice, some dal fry, some brinjal fry, and some parval fry. Parval is basically pointed gourd. It is also known as potol in Bengali, parval in Hindi, pointed gourd in English. But you'll get these in Indian store all over the United States, and they'll probably call it parval. So beneficial for you to know the Hindi name as well. Now, dal fry, as you can see, is basically regular dal. What I did was I first boiled masoor dal. I added some cardamom seeds and some bay leaves, salt, turmeric powder as necessary, and a little bit of oil, and of course water, and then boiled it. And then I actually fried it separately with some chana dal, some curry leaves, some red chilies. I mixed it well with some hing and then put the dal on top of it and then fried it well. Later on, in a separate pan, I fried some onions and tomatoes and mixed it all together. So let's dig in and see how it tastes. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Let's have with this. This dal is so simple, yet it is so good. Even your stomach feels so good. We all eat out quite sometime, and then our stomach gets a little messed up, but this dal will cleanse your stomach. So friends, the trick to actually eating healthy every day for lunch or for dinner is, you know, we can make dal easily. The easiest way to make dal is boiling masoor dal with some turmeric, some salt, cardamom seeds, bay leaves. You boil the dal, you fry some onions, you add the dal, and you mix it well. Your very basic dal is ready to eat, and you can store the dal in your refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 days. So what you do when you get tired of the simple dal, you fry some chana dal, some curry leaves, some hing, and then you add this dal, fry it well so that it becomes a little thicker like dal fry, and you have it. So it's healthy, but it's a different recipe of dal, so that you also won't get bored of having the same thing again and again. So this parval, or as I said, pointed gourd, I have fried it. I have actually scraped off the skin. I have cut it in two halves, and I've marinated it with turmeric, chili powder, salt, and a little bit of cumin powder, and then I fried it in oil. But there are many recipes which Bengalis make out of pointed gourd. We also sometimes stuff it. So like we, this is like half of one pointed gourd. So we stuff pointed gourd with some potatoes and some mashed potatoes, some onions, some chilies, and then fry it. It's like, stuffed pointed gourd or stuffed parval. It tastes amazing. And you can have that as well with dal. It's a little bit more time consuming than of course frying it, but like I said, when you get bored of having the same dishes every day, you like add some extra flavor, or you add something else to your existing dishes and make it more interesting. So that's another way of making pointed gourd interesting. So with brinjal as well, I have fried this brinjal. I have used the same marination I used for the pointed gourd. I marinated the brinjal with turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, and cumin powder, and fried it in oil. But there is like a lot of variety of recipes you can do with brinjal. One of the very famous recipes Indians make is called brinjal bharta. So you boil the brinjal, you mash it, and then you add onions, chilies, a little bit of mustard oil if you are a Bengali, a little bit of olive oil if you are not a Bengali, and you can add a little bit of chaat masala as well, or amchur powder as well. Mix it well. It will be kind of like mashed brinjal but with a lot of flavors. It tastes very good. You can have it with rotis or chapatis, you can have it with rice. It's completely up to you, but that is another way of making brinjal interesting. Okay friends, I will continue my lunch. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Namaskar.